Hi, Harbour Island off of Eleuthera. Here we are. I am looking at one of the properties here. This one is 4.1 million, and you're right just on the outskirts of the village, and it's a little over an acre, but you have a cute house here. It's a one-bedroom house here, which I like, but all the beautiful landscaping. You don't have that much land here to purchase, so you would have a one-bedroom house here. You got a little garage, and then you've got a two-bedroom cottage here. But in reality, somebody's going to buy this and you're going to go up because you've got these great trees here. They can actually come down. You get the ocean view. You could even, what a lot of folks do, they would take this piece of land, cut it in half, resell that, which would pay a lot for the construction cost to build the house that you would want. But it is a gorgeous, gorgeous piece of property here that is very rare here on Harbour Island. And of course, the ocean is that way. And that's where I was walking this morning in the pink sands, absolutely stunning. And this is just, I would say, was a minute ride from Valentine's Marina, very close. So this is what 4.1 million this will buy you. Can you move into this? Of course you can. If you want to just have this for a while as it is, you have a decent home, a one-bedroom home. Right here we go. And then the cottage here, 2 bedrooms. You could even rent that depending what you want to do till you're ready. And you have lots of options. So just very impressed with this cute place here, and just the starting of what we'll be seeing here in Harbour Island. Go from 4.1 all the way up as high as you want to go, but very glad to be here. So welcome to Harbour Island, and I am with the very best agent. She is the queen of real estate here, owns her own brokerage, has been 25 years. She's the best. And that's who I would refer to you to look at these properties and make sure you're taken care of. And I'm here to meet great agents and look at real estate.